This is ASUS ROG Phone 6D Ultimate, and today I will show how you can bypass or turn off parental controls on this device. Start, you will need to open the Settings app, then enter the Google category, tap at the Manage Your Google Account button over there, then go for the Data and Privacy section, scroll the page all the way down, tap at the Delete Your Google Account function. Then in order to continue, we will need to input the password, so let me quickly do that. After that, check those two boxes at the bottom of the, Delete Your Google Account page, then hit the Delete Account, and at this point, the parental controls should have already been deactivated. So now let's check it. Yep, there is no Google account added or linked to our system or to our device, and if I will open up the list of parental controls, there will be none. So now I gotta quickly restore or recover the Google account I have just deleted, so it will not disappear or be actually permanently deleted, so you will not lose an account. It is a very simple procedure. You gotta simply sign into any Google app or service with the said Google account. I'll go with Play Store. Then you should see the following message. Nine out of 10 times you're going to get the something went wrong message. That's completely fine. Simply re-enter your credentials one more time. And as you can see, it led me through the second time around, so I can finalize the sign-in procedure. And well, as you could have already guessed, the account was successfully recovered. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.